Today being the sixth day of the Mountains of Life Festival, we had a very interesting play which was put together by the students of the university, which kind of showed the journey of Nilakurunji flower that blooms once in 12 years in the Nilgiris. And they showed the story of this plant through matching it with the story of a young romantic couple from before independence through their life, and showed how the destruction of biodiversity and the land is affecting the plant, and they matched it with the journey of the couple. So in addition to the school and the college students whom we are having on a regular basis, we also see a lot of interested people who come in, including elderly people. We have seen journalists from across various newspapers participate and come in and view our exhibits. So it's just not for just the students, schools and college students, but it's open for anybody, and it has a lot of information, interesting facts and interesting ways of communicating about mountains that you experience once you're here. This year we are anticipating close to 10,000 to 12,000 children from schools and colleges, in addition to which we are hoping to have a lot more walk-in public from various parts of the city, as well as communities who are residing in and around the campus, university campus. So we look forward to reaching a number of 12,000 plus.
I am doing insect walks for children in the Mountains of Life Festival. I've been taking groups of children around, trying to tell stories about why insects are important as pollinators, as nutrient cyclers, as biological pest control, and also other ways in which they make our existence possible. We have common emotions we associate with insects: fear, disgust, repulsion, and often that does not have a full rootedness in reality. A lot of students start off with fear. So I've been asking the students, okay, when I say insects, what's the image that comes to your mind? What's the feeling in your heart? And a lot of them are saying cockroach, disgust, spiders, even though they're not insects, bees, fear, and so on. So, and then by the end, I also asked them, has this changed? And so just some of the stories and the fact that they are so important, the different kinds of pollination which happen. They've been so responsive to it. They've been asking a lot of questions. They've been fascinated by the giant honeybee hives hanging in the guest room sunshades. And we've spent a lot of time observing them, learning about waggle dance, chemical speech, how they forage, how they migrate. They've been completely taken over by it. Although initially it starts as fear, it takes 2 stories in, it's full fascination and empathy and curiosity. I think this is a wonderful festival. The kind of exhibits, the kind of people from across India it's bringing together, the sort of vividness of stories and art, and the convergence of all of these, which really sort of throws open all that mountains mean and can mean in the human imagination.
And my project was on red pandas. To cover the red pandas, I went to Neora Valley National Park, which is very less known to the common people, and it is located in the West Bengal, Kalimpong district of the West Bengal. I was there in the Neora Valley National Park for 7 days, and I covered like whole forest from the outside, not went for the expedition because it was too difficult terrain. And there I met the local communities who have not seen the red pandas forever, because it's for them, it's like a lucky animal which if they can visit, like it's amazing for them. So that's why it's also called elusive Hebrew in the locals. Additionally, the type of vegetation that we found there is the rhododendron forest, and during the season of March, it all becomes red just because of the color of the rhododendron flowers. So I think we need to conserve this, because the thing that made red pandas so elusive and difficult to found is the change in climate. The vegetation was like completely destroyed at the lower foothills of the Neora Valley National Park, and all of the pandas have moved upwards. So it's difficult to find them. They are very rare, and even not the local residents know about them. What exactly do they eat and they feed upon? So I think it's really important for us to think over it, that we want them to save or protect them for the upcoming generations.
And as we have this festival ongoing till the 26th, we welcome each and every one of you to come and join us in this journey through the mountains.